What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna wait. Oof. Oh God. Okay. In this video, I'm gonna try to solve this cube by using a professional timer called. Maybe you guys cannot see it because oops, blur. Called CS timer. If you guys want to download it in your laptop, not in the laptop, you can find this in your laptop in Google. Just type CS timer, or you can do it in your phone or your tab or iPad. Anything. So let's start with this video. The first scramble I already copied. Oh, can I scramble it? Okay. Good. On a mark, get set. Oh, I didn't get inspection. I don't need it because I'm a pro. Okay, start, guys. I started way before I told you guys. Oh no, I just messed up. I'm in F12. I'm not doing the Rubik's method or the ZZ method. I'm just trying to learn CFOP, then I'll maybe go to another, yellow cross. 26 seconds! I think this is going to be, this is definitely not going to be my record, guys. My record is already 26 seconds. Japer. Oh, wait, what? That was not as easy as, oh, God. 51! Bad. Really bad for a new. Can you see it? Yeah, 51. That's 51. 51.24. Let's go. I got it. Now let me copy the scramble. Okay, B, R2, F prime, R2, D prime, R2, D2, no, F, D2, F2, R2, B prime, then L prime, else D2, oh, D2, then, okay, I'm done. Really? Okay. I'm looking for the most. Oh, white is already stacked. You might see white has no colors, but like what? 5 or 6 moves, I can do the cross easily. Oh God! It's an X cross! Oh my God, I'm so lucky today. Actually, Google, if you guys tap. Okay, let me start. On your mark, get set, go. F2 done. I'm just kidding. I got X cross now, at least. Duh. If you guys, I'm probably maybe get a sub 30 average. Will I get something? Maybe sub 30. I think no. I'm gonna just go like sub 40 something. Yes, sub 40. There's no way I can make it in time. There's one day. Oh God, I think I cannot. Please build. Oh my God. Okay, I'm a bit ugly. Okay, that's it. Look, it was below 40. It's 39.50 seconds. Oh my God. This is so stressful. Let me do the scramble. R2. This? How's F prime? Look at this. I can do. Yeah. Okay. No, that's okay. F prime, F2 prime, and that's all. Okay, I'm done. So let's start, guys. In 3. You can fly. was a bit lucky, I think. No, it's not lucky at all. It's not lucky at all. Thank God it's not lucky. Oh, wait, God. I'm not even done with F12. This is the unluckiest lockup. I got a lockup. Oh, advanced step. Oh, I know one step. This is the only step I know in advanced OLO. Yes, not advanced OLO. Pro OLO. There's not even a thing called that. Oh, this is definitely so bad, like so bad. Sub 50. 49.88. The worst! Oh no, the time's running out. I gotta do the scramble really quick. Okay, I'm done. Oh wait, in the next video, I'm gonna make a part 2 of this, and in the part 2, I'm gonna solve the pyramids. That's the only 2 cubes I have banned. I know 4 cubes to solve the IV cube, the 3x3, 4, no, the 3x2, 2x2, and pyramids, but when 2x2 broke, I tried to do the impossible corner cutting till here, till the middle. It broke. That cube was really fast, but I wasted it. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe. Thumbs up, guys, to the next one. Wait. This is my new toy. He's really handsome, okay? Just
also my super
but he knows that.